my fellow crafters, and welcome to my channel. I am Debbie. Today I have two really cute finds from Diamond Painting Gift, and I want to thank Diamond Painting Gift for sending these to me. I really do appreciate it. And the one that I have, I'm going to show you first. I was really hoping to have one of these completed before I finish this video, but unfortunately it's not going to happen. But stay tuned because I will have this completed by the end of February, and this will be in my month in review. So I wanted to go ahead and just let you know that now. I have a sentiment card, and I thought this would be really cute for Valentine's. I love to make cards, and so I saw this and I thought, well, how fun would that be to add to my card stash that I give away? And so this is, I think it's a little cat, and it is in a little cup, and this looks like ladybugs. There's ladybugs on the end here, so I love cats. My daughter is an absolute fan of ladybugs. And then the inside just says Valentine's Day on it. And then you can write a little, cinnamon or something in there. And then the back says Valentine's Day, love you. And it even comes with a card with an envelope. Then it fits perfectly. And so this one will be one that I will give to Cards for Soldiers. And it's too late this year for someone that's a soldier to use this. But I will put this in with my next box that I send out, because I send out cards throughout the year. And then the place that I send it to, they will actually store the different cards that they receive, and they will send those out next year. So I think they will start sending out Valentine's Day cards in August, because they do send them overseas. And so it takes time to send them, and it takes time for the soldiers to send back to their loved ones. So when I saw this, I thought, how cute would this be? And it doesn't really have to even be Valentine's. I could have changed this inside if I wanted to. And Diamond Art Gift does have different cards, different greeting cards. But I really liked this one. And it is only sticky, I'm assuming, on this part of what you're going to diamond paint. So of course you don't diamond paint this white on the card. I could even decorate that and put something else there if I wanted to, but it's just this sticky that's on the little cat and the little cup, and it has the special drills. It does have a boat, a plate of wax, and then a pin. You don't need much because there's not much on this card to diamond paint. And then they give you, if I can find the end, they also give you all of these cute drills, and these are the little rhinestone special drills. And so they give you the red, that's really pretty there, and then you have some black. I haven't seen the black rhinestones. I like that. Silver, lots of silver, gold, and then some pink. And I've never had problems with their actual special drills. So I will do this, and I don't think that I will need to do anything else with this card. I don't think that the drills will fall off, and I do put this in a bag, a clear bag that does protect it during shipping, but that is going to be really pretty. So not very many drills. I really wish I would have had time to finish this, but I really wanted to get this video up for you guys. So I will do that. I may do that during my card group this week. I have card group on Wednesday nights. And then I have something that is totally different for me. It is a tote bag. Now, I love tote bags. And I saw this and I thought, this is really, really cute. I'm assuming, does it, see if the drills are inside? Maybe it doesn't come with the drills. Okay. So, I was going to say, surely it comes with drills, but yes, it does. So it's a good size bag, if you can see that. And it's really well made. So it is a girl with her cat. I'm going to bring this out some. See, bringing it more so you can see a little bit, move her over a little bit, but it has really pretty on the hair, and then the cat, and then her dress. So this is a partial. You do not diamond paint her skin or the outside of the bag here. The sticky is really good. And this one I will seal. I don't think that I'm going to be sealing the card, but I think that I'm going to seal this bag just because if you use the bag, I'm afraid the drills might fall off. So I will use the, I'll seal it. It also comes with a thumbnail here. Trying to get that to, there it goes, a little better. So that's what it's going to look like. I don't know why that's not, it's not adjusting that very well, coming into focus, but there are 10 colors here. Maybe it's too close. That looks a little better. So that's what it looks like. There's 10 colors there. Again, you get a boat, a plate of wax, and a pin. And these are special drills. So, I mean, how fun is this going to be? And it's not going to take very long. I may even see if my daughter wants to do this one while I am working on the little cat card. Or I may just do this myself. Sorry for the crinkling. I don't always open these, but I know that I'm going to be working on this one, so I'll go ahead and open the bag that has the drills in it. It is numbered 1 through 10, so it goes with this. So I would probably not even kit this up. I'll just have different boats. Like I have several of these little green ones. I'll just put all those out so that way I don't have to kit this up. And the same thing with the card. So we do have silver. I don't know why this is not, does not want to focus today. Maybe it's just me. We have this red, reddish pink here. We have some more black, a few greens there, some pinks, a lighter pink. Then we have some whites. Those are ABs. And then we have these I like to call teardrops. And those are really pretty orange. And then we have some that look like pearls on the end. And then this really pretty purple. And I know that the purple, I'm assuming, let's see, 9 is orange, 10 is this one. So the pearls are going to go in her earrings. That's going to be that one. And then 9 is a little orange. The 9 is going to go in her hair. So this really pretty bluish purple in here, it's iridescent. That's going to go around her hair there and on this side. And then the only thing you're going to diamond paint on her hair is just these circles here. And that one is going to be number 3. So that one is going to be this black. So she's going to have black strands with her brown. So I'm really looking forward to this one. And I thought, how nice to have a diamond painting bag. So if you're going somewhere, this would be a really good statement. I'm going to be going to the retreat in June. I might take this little bag with me on the airplane and have my diamond painting things in it. So I'm going to try to get this to focus a little better. Okay, so I wanted to show you further down that what this bag looks like. I just think it's really pretty and it's a good size bag and it is good quality. And then I have, move that over, and then I have this cute little card. And I think I will do this Wednesday night during my card group. They have this cute little card here of the cat with the ladybug ears, and then also with the ladybugs on the cup. And I may even give that to my daughter for Valentine's. Instead of sending that to Cards for Soldiers, I may end up giving that to my daughter and tell her that's her Valentine card. And I might even make this little bag and put some little Valentine goodies in there to give to her instead of me keeping this bag. So I don't know. We will see, but I will let you guys know by the end of the month because this will be done in February, so I'm looking forward to it. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope that you found something that interests you. I will put the links and the price to both of these underneath the descriptions. And there's also several other items that you can choose from Diamond Art Gift. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.